Hello. So, this book here was written in 1961 by J.M. Kelly. It's his first edition. Fundamental Rights in the Irish Law and the Constitution. J.M. Kelly. And he dedicated it to, guess what? To my parents. And it opens up with forward. This study is intended to fill, however imperfectly, one of the many gaps in the literature of the modern Irish law. Not alone has there been since 1922 no comprehensive publication on the civil liberties in Ireland, but there is no literature except for a few articles on the post 1937 Irish constitutional law generally. It may be that the way in which I have dealt with the subject matter of the present work will be found unsatisfactory and my understanding of it or my conclusion faulty. But if at all faculties and the practice or or encourages the study of this branch of the law, it will have served some purpose. I think that the chief interest of this subject is not in the strict sense of a legal one. The development of the new branch of the Irish jurisprudence according to the common law inherited from England is made to fit Irish aspirations expressed in a rigid constitution, is a matter of interest to the legal constitutional historian, to the non-lawyer seeking an oblique but none the less authentic source of knowledge of this kind of state we have been living in for nearly 40 years. Well, it's now, God knows, from that there 61, 40, it's now 60 years or whatever. So, for nearly 40 years, the atmosphere of Irish democracy and the quality of Irish government, I think we enjoy good standards of justice and liberty, and so they did back then. But the study of fundamental rights in Ireland or anywhere else shows that such rights are no stronger than the government's will to preserve them, and cannot survive the invasion of the legislator or bench by men who lack tolerance and moderation. Therefore, the question whether it is the destiny of the Irish Constitution to be more than a piece of paper depends not only on the nobility of its contents, but the watchfulness of the Irish people. The next bit here, I will be going through religion, the family and religious rights, and natural law aspect of the Irish Constitution, which J.M. Kelly wrote here. This is a pioneering piece of work, has been cited in many universities across the world, Yale, Harvard, all those law schools. It is a pioneering piece of work on fundamental rights, which are inalienable, indefeasible, imprescriptible, and sovereign rights antecedent and superior to all positive law. There is some very great, good and indifferent citations of law from the High Court and the Supreme Court justices, and their summarizing of the cases and their comments on it, which have been now can be cited as law. All the citations will be below the black line, so that's all the citations, all the text of what you're looking will be on the top, and habeas corpus is within it as well. I think that's 40.4 and 40.5 of the Irish Constitution, habeas corpus. So I'll do a wee video here. So hopefully you can enjoy and read through it. I'm going to do 10 seconds on each page. So you can pause and read, and then let it go, pause and read, etc. etc.